Hi guys, it's Kat. Welcome back to my channel. So today's video I am testing out a product by Beauty Bay. Now I'm testing out this product by Beauty Bay, but I got it in 6 different shades. And it's the Living My Best Light GELÉE Glow Highlighters. Now I have got all 6 of them. I have subscribed to be part of their Tribe perk thing. They did inform me of this new release, so I was able to get them earlier. Now I got all 6. I don't know why I got all 6. I think they're like £6.50 each and they were quite cheap. So I was like, why not get all 6 of them? So I'm going to go one by one and show you all the colours and then applying some to my cheekbones. I haven't got any highlighter on today just because I knew I was going to film this video and also the Glossybox Mother's Day edition box as well. So I'm just going to read what it says on the back. This is what it says on every single one of these packagings. So it is the same for all of them. And it just says an innovative gel texture formula designed to give eyes and cheeks a prismatic finish. Sweep on a single layer to subtly brighten your look with a sheer shine, or build as desired for an ultra luminous shimmer that sparkles for hours. For best results, apply with a sponge or your fingers. GELÉE Glow can also be built up for an intense look. And each of these pots are 10 grams. And here is the packaging for these highlighters. It's so pretty. I don't know if you can see, it's like a frosted glass, but then it's got pink writing. It says GELÉE Glow Highlighter. It's just got stars on the sides. And then it just says here, Living My Best Light. Now I'm just going to open it up. It is sealed by a plastic you just pull. And oh my god. And there's the shade. Now this one is called Out of This World. Oh, they feel really weird. It feels like a mousse. And there's Out of This World. It is like a pearlized white, but it has got like shimmers of purples in there. If you can see, like an iridescent purple. The next one is more gold, and this is called Sunbeam Surprise. You can use these on the eyes as well, so imagine using this on the eyes and just having such a pigmented colour. Look at that gold, that is just so stunning. I can definitely see myself using these on the eyes. Now the next colour is also a gold shade, and this is called Starlight Sparkle. So they are kind of the same colour, these two. So I will most likely give one of these away to like my mum or something for Mother's Day, add it into the Mother's Day edition box. But they are pretty. And here's the next one. It's again a gold colour, but it does look a little bit more bronzy. And this one is called Shimmering Stardust. And there's a Shimmering Stardust. It does look much more bronzy, and yeah, I like that one a little bit more than the others. So the next colour is called Marshmallow Moonlight, and it's a rose gold colour. I really like this one. Yes, I love it so much. I would definitely use this on the eyes. And here is the last shade. Again, it's like a silver pink colour, and this is called Galaxy Glow. And there's Galaxy Glow. That is such a stunning colour. So we do have a lot of golds in this range. We have a couple pink shades, and we also have that nice pearlized white shade. Now I'm going to use that nice pearlized white, the Out of This World, and I'm also going to use the Galaxy Glow, that nice pink colour. So I will use a sponge on one side to see how that applies, and then use my fingers on the other side to see which one I like better. I am going to look out to see if the highlighter moves my foundation or makes it patchy. Just because with liquid highlighters I find they kind of do that. So I want to see if this gel, like moussey kind of texture, does that as well. So with this sponge I'm going to use the Out of This World shade, and I'm just going to like dab a little bit. I think that's what you're supposed to do. I'm not too sure. Yeah, I'm just going to dab a little bit. Maybe that's a little bit too much. And then dab it onto my cheekbones here. Okay. I think I might have put a little bit too much on the actual sponge. See if I can blend it in. I do feel like that is picking up the foundation. If I go a little bit closer, the texture's just not right on the skin. It's kind of like leaving little holes. I don't know if you can see. It's just not looking nice at all. Right, I'm going to try the other side with the other colour, but using my fingers this time. Maybe it's better when you use your fingers. So a Galaxy Glow on the other side. I'm going to take it on my finger and then I'm just going to apply it. I think I did obviously use too much on the other side. Normally I would just use my finger with like a liquidy highlighter. Okay, so that looks a little bit better, but I'm still not sure if I love the texture of it on my skin. This side just looks absolutely horrible. I would not use a sponge for this kind of product. But this side does look okay. It's got a nice shine to it. I think they would look really nice on the eyes. I have got eyeshadow on today. I wonder if they crease though, that's the only thing. But I do like it using my fingers. It does apply nicely. The other side, the sponge, don't even try it. It's absolutely horrible. Maybe a different sponge, but no. So yeah, mixed thoughts. I will have to try the other ones out and see if they do the same. Maybe try a different sponge and see if it does anything different or if it's just the same. So it's only going to be a short video of me showing you the products, testing them out and that. Maybe I'll do another video but using them on my eye. Maybe do a tutorial and seeing how they look. Maybe. If you'd like to see kind of that video, then please like and also comment down below saying that you would like to see that kind of video. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, then please like, subscribe and hit that notification bell, ding ding. Also come and follow me on my Instagram. Instagram is somewhere down here and also linked in my description box, so you guys go and check that out. So thanks for watching. Until next time, bye guys.